I was really disappointed in listening to the president over the weekend sell the Trans-Pacific Partnership. This is the president in his weekly address stating things that the very people who put him in office simply do not believe and know is wrong.
With this Trans-Pacific Partnership, we are writing the rules for the global economy. America is leading in the 21st century. Our workers will be the ones who get ahead. Our businesses will get a fair deal. And those who oppose passing this new trade deal are really just accepting a status quo that everyone knows puts us at a disadvantage.
So the status quo puts us at a disadvantage. Yet this president allowed his trade negotiators to go cut a deal with Japan, which would bring cars into this country that would allow up to 70% of foreign products made in China to be dropped on our market at no tariff. That is going to gut the automobile parts industry and be millions of jobs in this country, and the trickle-down effect is going to be devastating. I am astounded that this president has not been convinced that he is so wrong. He's never been so wrong on an issue in the past, not to mention the sovereignty issues that all of the unions are concerned about. Not one or two or four or five. Every single union in this country is against it. The very people that put President Obama in office, he could have never been elected or reelected without that help. He is turning his back on these people, and he is wrong on this issue. We are the #1 customer in the world. We have the best consumers in the world, and getting to them just can't be free to these other countries. That's how I see it. This is Ed Schultz, News and Commentary. We're back tomorrow.